So you just got your AppleSauce Engineering Milspec Magwell. Alright, take it out of the package and slide it on and give it a test fit. Yeah, it should fit pretty well. But if you have this lower, such as an Anderson, that's a little bit loose, you're going to want to slide it on off. Grab your included 1.5mm Allen wrench and give that a few turns. Oops, don't drop the Allen wrench. Alright, slide it on, and it should be, yeah, snug. Snap, right into place. Now test. It should feel like part of the lower. There shouldn't be any slop. Good. Alright, well that's all folks. Remember, this does not replace dry fire. Have fun.